Well, guys, star teacher is a person who understands his students thoroughly and work for the betterment of his students earnestly. He understands his students, loves him, cares him, and shapes him as a coin according to the demand of the market. Likewise, I have also coined a term, scholar scientist. It means a person who is good at sciences, any kind of sciences, like natural sciences or social sciences, along with religion, religious studies in theology. If he is expert, he is par excellent. Such kind of person, we will call him scholar scientist. Actually, this is the byproduct of my own mind. I coined this term by myself to correlate sciences with religion, so to prove that this is a very good combination for the betterment of human beings, for the betterment of humanity. So this was the message of the day. Thank you very much.